Beer is the world's most selling and popular alcoholic beverage. And now I am sharing with you about how to serve the beer perfectly. For the pouring of beer, first of all hold the glass at 45-degree angle. Then pour the beer into the glass. And one thing should be kept in mind. Glass should be chilled, cleaned and sparkled. When the glass is half full, tilt the glass upright and continue pouring down the middle, directly onto the beer. This helps create the head of foam. Generally, 1 inch of foam tends to be the guideline for a perfect pour. Beer always be served at the correct temperature. The ideal temperature range for beer service is 3 degrees Celsius to 12 degrees Celsius.